Hello, welcome to my channel. The sole purpose of this YouTube channel is to teach you how to earn money online without spending thousands of dollars and wasting hundreds of hours trying to figure it out on your own. I offer a step-by-step method, and let's get started. Today's video is entitled How to Make Money Online. First, I'll give you an introduction, and then we'll go into step number 1, build a tribe. Step number 2, provide valuable content. Step number 3, get eyes on your content. Get eyes on your content. Step number 4, suggest helpful products. Step number 5, collect the money. Online marketing is simple. It's all about answering the questions that people are searching for. Step number 1 is build your tribe within your chosen niche. What is a niche? According to Nickel Hacks, a niche is quite simply a very specific topic or group of closely related topics that people are interested in and spend money on. A niche is also a group of similar people with a shared problem, passion, or interest. How to choose your niche? Choosing a niche is a balance of passion, interest, and profitability. Consider what you are passionate about. Is it cooking, golf, fishing, basketball, gardening, etc.? You can make money in just about any niche, but some niches are more profitable than others. What are the most profitable niches? Health and fitness / weight loss, beauty / fashion, dating and relationships, food, self-improvement and e-learning, how to make money online and finances, lifestyle and travel, technology, electronic gadgets and gaming, and last but not least, pets. You don't have to be passionate about your niche, but you do have to have an interest, have to be interested enough to create content for several months, possibly years. Step number 2, produce valuable content by answering the burning questions that people within your niche are asking. You become the teacher. Teach what you know or learn something new each day and share it with your tribe / audience or tribe / niche. Step number 3, get eyes on your content. Great content is worthless if nobody is seeing it. The absolute best method for getting eyes on your content is to create a YouTube channel. However, choose whatever platform you are most comfortable with, be it social media, discovery channels like Reddit and Quora, or you can get eyes on your content by blogging and building rapport with niche influencers. Step number 4, suggest products, services, and software that will help your audience solve a problem, reach a goal, fulfill a dream, want, or desire. Start by suggesting products, services, etc. via affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate, which would be you, earns a commission for marketing another person's product or a company's products. The affiliate simply searches for a product they enjoy, then promotes that product and earns a piece of the profit from each sale they make. This is a quote from bigcommerce.com. Promote, suggest affiliate products in the course of your creating content. Don't be pushy. No one likes a salesman. Just make your promotion a natural part of your conversation with your audience / tribe. Step number 5 is the conclusion. Collect the money, but don't be focused on the money. Helping the people that you attract into your tribe must be your number one concern, and in due time, the money will follow. I thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. If you found value in this presentation, please give me a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell. I would really enjoy hearing from you. So here's my contact information: Facebook, email, and my website. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video.